Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right, good morning. Monday, this is July. Yeah, July 14th. See what we get in the markets today. Isn't that bad? I don't even know what month it is. Yeah, it happens. All right, what do we got? Fumbling around with 100 different things. That's how everybody else does it too, right? Not just me. I got Globex open 22,940. I got it basically right. Okay, zoom out. This kind of look like we want to push up, doesn't it? Go test the 23.21. You see a bit of a pullback, then push. We got this opening gap, broke through it. Another bullish sign. Trying to get above the open and hold it. Two-minute chart. Looking for it to go now. Okay. Good morning. Good. I did a few times. You didn't hear it? Worked out great then. Uh-oh. Wait, is he calling me a cow? I'm not that fat. Golly. Sorry, I gotta doing 100 million different things at once.
How many?
100 million.
No kidding. How many arms do you need for that?
Everybody does that though, right? It's not just me.
Yeah, I know.
I was trying to, well, talk about it later. But I'm gonna try to do the 2-minute open range trade, but I have some more of them set up. So it's either gonna work great or it's gonna blow the account.
Oh boy. Well, don't trade it at such a big size if it's your first day.
Oh, come on.
Test it. 1, 2. So you need it on the 2-minute chart, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's true. I can't even try to compare with you. You're not even on the same time. You're not even in the same time zone. You're like working 31s and 33s. You're not working 30 and 32s.
First one's done.
Really?
Yep. That was weird. I kind of took it in the middle of the candle. So I am off minutes.
Oh, that put my take profit into. Yeah, you're.
That's weird.
I'll never be able to sync up with you because.
I decided since I like the idea of 1, I would run 4.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give it 4 chances to blow my account.
Dang, the butter bands are getting wrecked. Yeah, 518, but it's trading a 10 lot, so 1 lot's $50.
All right, so 1's done. I got 3 more chances.
Well, sorry, what size are you trading? You said at 1 mini, no?
I think they're all different sizes, but around 1 mini, yeah.
Okay.
10 micros.
Yeah.
It's between, I think, 10 and 12 or 14 or whatever I had it last. I always wish you had more time to get it right. At some point, you just gotta jump in and fix it on the fly. And if it blows the account, I got another one right behind it, so.
Come on, reach. There we go.
It's, like I was telling you before, it's definitely a diamond hand strategy. It's, I don't know. I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah. Well, you said it was for evals.
Yeah.
Okay. Evals is good.
What I might do is I might just use it on the evals, and if I stack up enough evals, maybe I'll use it on the funded.
Yeah. Well, it's too bad that your clock is off like that by 1 minute, because
that's what I was telling you before. My Ninja Trader's always been like that.
I'll never be able to figure out where you're getting in and where you're getting out because you're in between my candles.
I've tried so much to fix that for years, never could. I even deleted Ninja Trader one time and got it back, and it was still like that.
Wow, that's the weirdest thing I've ever heard. Seriously.
Jose, good morning. Like if you're on a, well, I guess you're on a different time frame. But I was gonna say, what's your time now? Like I'm on the 2 minutes, 9:39.
Yeah, well, I'm on the 1 minute, so it is 9:39. But if I was on the 2 minute, I would be seeing the 9:40 candle. It would tell me 9:40 because Ninja shows what time the candle closes at, not what time the candle opens at.
Yeah,
which is an odd behavior for them to do, but
I don't know if I'm a minute behind or what, or how that happened, or how you fix it.
Yeah, well, ask your buddy.
Who?
GPT.
Oh.
GPT.
Okay. I had enough fighting with that thing yesterday.
Really? You can get into a fight with GPT? Only you can get into a fight with GPT.
May or may not have used a lot of bad words. Man, when AI takes over, they might come after me. I might have to say a lot of please and thank you. But you have, like in the video games, you have your charisma meter.
Yeah.
Like mine right now is really low. I have to give in a lot of please and thank yous and, hey, GPT, you're so great. I was like, imagine how far we'd be getting right now if you'd stop fucking my code up.
Well, I created some code yesterday. It was working great, but I fucked it up. I don't know. I was doing some really weird error. I'm not even going to bother to explain, but
GPT seems to work great until you get to a certain point, and then it just goes retarded.
Yeah.
I don't know why it does that. You got to catch it before it goes retarded, or it'll screw up all your codes. Yeah.
That's funny. Catch it before it goes retarded. I had that conversation with GPT also. I told it, sometimes you're genius and sometimes you're like...
fucking retarded. Say it. Fucking retarded.
No, I said GPT... Hold on, let me get in a long trade here. Counter trade with butter bands. Let's go. Let's go back up.
Oh, I guess I am supposed to look at the chart.
Come on, push higher. Push higher. Oh, I'm in worse. What? They're at 2350. I got in at 26. That was bad. Okay. Yes, I said you're like GPT 0.5, and sometimes I have GPT 4.0, and sometimes it said, yeah, it actually explained it. I don't remember exactly what the explanation is, but it said whenever you notice that happens, just ask for I don't know, GPT with a thinking cap on, or I don't know what expression it used, but it's almost like they have two kinds of systems or something going on. Strange.
Yeah, it just happens out of nowhere. It's like everything's great. Like we're really getting what we want, and then all of a sudden it just goes retarded, screws the whole code up.
Yeah.
Luckily, I'm understanding now that I just got to go back to my original code and just back up a few times. But what can you do? Jose's in US 30. Well, that's basically the NASDAQ, isn't it? Or no, that's a currency.
Oof, oof, oof. What are we doing on the 40-10? 40-10, we had a couple of good trades.
So I'm trying to code my bot to where I'm gonna run 4 of them, and I want them to not bump heads with each other. So GPT says it put in anti-hedging code, so see how that works. But actually today I'm running an old version, so it might still bump heads today. I don't know. Alright, we're done with one more. That was fast, wasn't it?
So, are we gonna go and take out the Asia lows?
Alright, 2 more chances.
Yeah, look at it on the 30 minutes. And we're gonna get down to 840. Remember what I said, it's an 80% probability.
That's crazy because we had this huge push up, closed the gap, everything was looking nice and bullish, then we just tank. I don't even know what's going on with any of the news or anything. Anything important out there in the world?
I don't know. You know what? I used to know because I used to listen to other channels, other streamers, and they would talk about it.
Yeah, me too.
But now, hey, wait a minute. Now I'm listening to you, and you don't update me.
Yeah, the guy I listen to don't update me.
I'm not supposed to. I have no memory. I'm relying on your youth and your memory.
Well, you fucked up there. We got no news Monday. Well, there's a lot of movement for a no news Monday.
Yeah, it is.
Something's going on.
Yeah. I never try to figure out the why. For me, it doesn't make a difference. You can drive yourself crazy trying to figure out the why something's happening. Okay, it's long. Now I'm afraid to take it. Really good entry here. Oh, okay. Good thing I didn't take it. Yeah, you see what's happening though. I'm kind of, oh, the 40-10 is short. Yeah, what happens is when you're trying to trade two systems, I think I just have to let butter bands run and check it out and kind of ignore it. You were around, I think. I created a counter trend system.
Last night?
No, on the weekend. And then I realized, oh, that's going to really screw me up now. Counter trend trading while you're trying to trend trade.
Whatever works.
Yeah, that's not going to work, though. It's going to screw with my brain. I'm watching them both, and I'm trying to figure out, should I go counter trend now, or should I go trend now?
See, I can't do that.
No, I can't either.
That's why I'm terrible on the range days, because you basically got to trade counter trend. I feel like you got to train your brain one way or the other. Like fighting back and forth, that just drive you crazy. So I do think I came up with a way to trade the range on the range days when it plays out.
Okay.
I was looking at the, actually kind of just played out. I was looking at the VWAP and a 2 deviation of the VWAP. I can use that in the same system that I use for trending. Use it for counter trend with the VWAP second deviation.
I've seen some people trade that, actually.
Yeah.
Trading the standard deviations in the VWAP.
Yeah, I traded it before, but I got screwed on it a lot because...
Yeah, me too. I had a hard time with it. I dumped it.
You get into those ranging days and it just destroys that system. Or trending day. You get on a good trending day and you're just going to keep losing.
Yeah.
Just got to identify the range days. Like, we had some, was it last week, week before, that were like clearly range days.
Oh, last week was terrible.
Yeah.
It was because of last week that I created this counter trend system. It's getting its ass kicked.
Well,
but the good news is,
I don't want to change my system because my system's done great for me for so long.
Yeah.
But as a trader, I feel like one of the problems traders go through is they don't try to adapt to the market.
You know what?
A lot of traders don't try to adapt to the market. I feel like the market's constantly changing, especially when you got summer months, you got winter months, different contracts.
Well, that's why I track the volatility all the time.
Right. So I want to have my core system, but at the same time, I want to acknowledge that the market changes and how can I better adapt to that. Jose, how did the US 30 trade go? You still in it? Said before he had take profit 1. I'm assuming he got out with good profit.
15-minute ORB.
Yep. So I found out if I split my bot into longs and shorts, seems like it does a little bit better.
Sorry about that laugh. I thought you were going to say something else.
Uh-oh. What was it?
Well, you said split my, and then the word started with a B. So my brain fired in a microsecond. I thought you were going to say balls. I was like, hey, if I could just split your balls. All that went through my head before you finished the word bot.
Oh, chocolate salty balls.
Chocolate salty balls. Wait, someone's going to start selling them.
I was watching when you played the video the other day. My wife was sitting in the chair beside me, and she was listening to it. She's like, what the hell? Bunch of guys.
You did tell her chocolate salty balls came from you, right?
I didn't have to. She immediately was like, how much of that was your input?
Yeah.
Like, what are you trying to say? She's like, we have been married for a while.
Yep. No, I'm not chasing.
You chasing?
I was thinking about it.
Chat, tell me if he's chasing. I'll play the donkey.
No. I didn't. I was going to go long, but my hand is off the mouse.
See, that's how I keep you on the good side. Because besides the clicker, if you start chasing, then we'll play the donkey.
Okay, we need a good fucking winning trade on the...
That's accountability right there.
It is.
I already had 2 winning trades. How many more I need?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to just take one more take profit trade and then switch accounts. Try to get to 200. 200 a day is good for me in take profit trader. That's a winner. Let's go. Push it. Let's get to the previous close. Let's fill the gap again for the 10th time.
It's kind of bad that I have a system and I don't even exactly know how it works.
Yeah, that is kind of bad. I don't know how to explain that to anybody.
Me neither. Because it took 2 short trades. So is it going to take the long trades now? I don't know. We're about to find out.
So when they really insist on an explanation, I say that he takes mushrooms.
Yeah.
Then he codes the system.
Yeah.
And then he doesn't know what it is.
I mean, that's just common sense, because when you take the mushrooms, it opens up your synapse, right? Your creativity, your brain. And then we come off the mushrooms and we're all stupid. I mean, that's how humans evolved. Didn't you know the forbidden fruit was a mushroom?
I didn't know mushroom was a fruit.
They didn't either.
Next time my wife goes, you want to have some fruit? I can make sure it's not mushrooms.
Funny thing is, I don't even like mushrooms.
Oh my God, no. I do not like mushrooms.
Gives me flashbacks.
I meant regular mushrooms.
Yeah, me too. I'm like, do they do anything for you? Like, no. Why the hell would I eat that if they don't do anything for me?
They seem to taste like bleach for me.
Like, you got any of the good mushrooms?
Only in the brownies. Okay, let's take one more trade over here. If it triggers at, there we go, we triggered at 25. Let's see if I can get a better price. 24, 25, I'll take it there. Come on, fill me, don't go. I tried to get filled at 22. You can come back again.
He didn't tell me I was going long.
32, at 32, it's over. I didn't tell you I was going long?
Yeah, I can't take it. Going into the open. Can't trade into the open.
Yeah, I closed it also because we are 1 point away from It first take profit on the top step chart. So that's it. It ran enough.
I have sworn to stop fighting the open.
But there's a counter trend trade that I'm going to take for just the one lot.
So I'm trying to redo my scene on Prism.
Okay.
Where,
my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
I heard you complain about it this morning. I'm like, at least I'm not the only one always fighting these things.
Yep, I had to redo everything. You didn't tell me you were on... You didn't tell me you were in the room. I didn't change my camera view. That sucks. Okay. Well, I know what I'm going to do.
All those people in your chat, and none of them told you?
Okay, get out.
Despicable.
There we go.
Skeletor, good morning. That was the 2 minute. So far, I've taken 2 of them. They both worked great. So I got 2 more chances to blow my account today. It's basically an all or nothing system. But in the back testing, I think in the past 3 or 4 months, would have only blown the account 2 or 3 times. So question is how many great weeks can you have before you blow the account?
I'm just imagining if a kid would talk like that. Dad, you know that new bike you bought me? Well, I rode it for 2 days now, and it's been going great. I have 2 more days this week to try and crash it.
Well, look at it this way. How do most people pass their evals? So most people try to long and short during news, so they have a 50 chance. Most don't even get that, so they have really about a 40 chance to pass an eval, unless you're going to trade it. But I'm talking about just passing it. So with this system, you got what, 95% chance to pass it?
Wow.
So, I mean, sounds better than 40.
It does.
So I'm not saying it's the best system. I'm just saying, can I run it on evals to stack accounts?
Yeah. But what I don't understand is when you say I still have 2 more. One losing trade's not going to blow the account.
It can, yeah.
It can, yeah. The ATAR would need to be 30, 40 points. You need a range of 30, 40, 50 points. More than that even. Hold on.
Right, but since I'm buying the breakout of the 2 minute, and then I'm putting the stop at the other side of the open range.
Plus a half an ATR, you said?
Right. Now think back, what about 2.5, 3 months ago when we had those huge days? There was one that was literally over 200 points.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. On those, stay out on those days. You know, you can put even a filter, that maximum range size. Like if the range size is more than 50 points.
I was thinking that. I'd want to do like 100, because there's a lot of days like that actually work out.
Yeah.
Like we was talking before, even the other side of the range, when you add that 0.5 ATR after that, it greatly increases the chances. Yeah.
Well, 100 point range with another 50%, that will blow the account. 150 points on a mini, that's $3,000.
No. It'd be like so if the range is 100 points, it would be like 110.
Okay. That's still close to blowing the account. 1 mini, that's $2,200 to the negative. If you want to give yourself 2 chances, that you would need about 1,200. You can risk about 60, 65 points. That'll give you 2 chances, two swings at a bat without blowing the account.
Yeah.
At a mini, because a mini is $20. So 20 times 60 points is 1,200. If you lose 60 points, you're minus 1,200.
Well, most of the losing days are, if I remember correctly, about 700.
Okay.
I think so far there was only one that was over 2,000. and there were a couple that was around 1,000, 1,200.
That's fantastic.
So if you lose 1,200, okay, you drop the size down to about half, build it back up, and go from there, right?
Yeah, smart man.
But it's really just trying to create a system of flipping evals.
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to get it to where it pass an eval every week. So I actually might size up a little bit more depending on what I can do. So.
And this is all based on
I don't know.
2-minute ranges?
Yeah.
I don't know. 18 bid holds. I'll be going long.
You didn't tell me I had to know this stuff.
18 bid, 18. Fuck off. I'm chasing a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Still going into the open.
18. 16 I'll add. Don't rape me, please. Desire and control.
Don't rape me.
Don't rape me at 04. I have to get out. Yeah, I'm doing good. I want to get to 200. Let's get back up there. Lighten up on the position. I feel better. Okay, let's get 25 bid. I'll just watch it on the top step chart. 25 or 04. I've got my finger on the close button. We're 2 points away from the 04. Actually, this is the add point, but I'm not going to add. Looks like it wants to hold, though. It's either going to break fast. You know what? I'm going to put in my stop, sell stop.
How'd the bot do yesterday?
I'm not sure what you mean. In the evening, ended up down 200 or something, and now I'm running it. It's down another 1,400 tonight. This morning, I mean. But
Okay.
We're having some strong moves, so it's a reversion to the mean system. And when you go down like that from 960 to 840 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles, and then you come right back up in another 7 candles, it's going to get hurt. I'm not surprised that it got hurt in that.
Yeah, we're still in
normal.
Still in this range. We've been in what, including the day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 day range. Actually, you could widen the range a little bit more. You got 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Definitely 8, including today. Yeah, 825 to 23,050 approximately. Yeah, very tight range. Also, not a lot of points.
I didn't look at that.
200 points. Crazy, eh? In the last 8 days, 200, 250 points.
Yeah, I got about 300. Yeah.
Yeah, I approximate.
But I mean, on the NASDAQ, I mean, that's pretty tight range.
Yeah, it's extremely tight.
Then if you look back further than that, all the way back to May, we was in that range for
8 seconds. I don't know. I thought you were going to higher volatility. Hey, OFT, nice to see you.
really most of May and most of June was in a range.
Are you trading OFT, or you just working on fixing up your place there, building out your computer? I think you said you're changing your room, getting a new camera. Okay, let's try a 2-lot counter trend trade. I shouldn't be taking it because it's kind of getting its ass handed to it right now.
Is that the strategy?
Yeah.
Hey, it's down 1,500. Let me take this.
It's really, well, that's 150 on a 1 lot. It's trading 10 lots, so.
Okay.
Out. Okay, that took $40 from me.
Just say what you want to say. It can't lose forever.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I got
That's
a
a lot of
ghost
money.
order. Why do I have a ghost order?
It's crazy how the behavior of the markets can change.
Not even on. Uh-oh. All right, 1 and 3. Oh, I guess I turned it off before it could cancel the order. That's not good. Turn it off because I'm worried about the different setups clashing with each other because they're in such a tight time frame. Actually, I think I have a 10 o'clock cutoff, so should be done for the day.
Well, you heard it here first, guys. We're done for the day. Everybody pack it up.
That's it. Go home. It's $300 on an average of half a second trades.
Wow.
It only took 2 today. Still got a lot of work to do on it, but it'll be interesting for the evals.
And if anyone asks you for it, you can tell them it only works if you're Ninja Trader 2-minute chart. It says 9:33, not 9:32.
People are like, what time frame are you on? I'm like, shit, I don't even know.
2.5 minutes.
Yeah, 2.5 minutes.
It's a custom time frame.
I've been telling Mike all this time from 9:30 to 9:32. Then I find out that wasn't even true. Like, fuck. Not to call Ninja Trader. Why is my time different than everybody else's?
Yeah.
Now the question would be is, do I fix it or do I leave it alone? Since
I'm sure it's a simple setting. Maybe in your data.
I fix it and then my bot won't work no more.
Yeah, there's the trading hours setting, right? I have it for use instrument settings.
Yeah, I think that's what I got.
Maybe you're on Bovespa. Maybe you chose Bovespa.
I don't even know. Like I said before, I messed around with all that and I couldn't get it to make a difference.
Because I know Bovespa is 1 minute ahead.
Somewhere I screwed something up.
Yeah, I'm sure it's a simple setting.
We even did that big update, what, about a year ago? That didn't fix it. I had to delete Ninja Trader completely off my system, reinstall it. That didn't fix it. Even I had it on my laptop, and now I'm on the desktop. It still does the same thing.
So you've been 1 minute off now for more than a year?
Shit, probably ever since I started using Ninja Trader. Probably about 4 years.
You find it's fucking up with your sleep?
I think so.
Your internal clock is off?
Yeah. Maybe that's why I wake up every morning at like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
What are you looking at? Anything? Long, short? Waiting to break over or waiting to break away from the previous day's close?
So it looks sideways to me. We are at market open. We do have an inside bar on the 5 minute. Just kind of ranging sideways.
And we broke it to the upside.
Yeah, a little bit. I would be looking to get above the open for longs. We also have this trend line. If you zoom out to the 30-minute, it's an ugly trend line, but that's okay. I would think we need to get above that and hold. We really need to go up and test the open range high again.
You're talking the descending trend line, right?
Yeah. Like I said, it's kind of an ugly one.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's still a trend line.
Yeah. Well, you've already told us you draw ugly trend lines.
Yeah.
At least you're consistent.
God, it used to drive me crazy, man, trying to draw trend lines. It's like all these have to touch exactly. Like, how do I know if it's there if it's not exactly touching? Then one day it's like, well, why? Why do they have to touch? Because that's what everybody says? Screw that, man. Draw them ugly.
I just look for slope. I kind of blur my eyes and see what the... You can
go ahead.
You can use a regression line also, and it'll pretty much give you also that same kind of slope. It'll figure out the slope for you.
Right.
Okay, breaking higher.
I was going to say, so basically you shouldn't be buying the break of a trend line anyways. You should be breaking it and looking for structure or a pullback.
Yeah.
Everybody's so focused on these pretty trend lines when you're really just trying to tell a story. Like, hey, it broke that, might go up. Give me some structure, give me a pullback. We'll jump in.
Yeah. I like to see a break of a trend line with momentum. A nice push away from it.
Right.
Create some space and then come back to that trend line, touch it, and then take the trade right off that for continuation from the break.
But theoretically, that's what we would all like to see.
Yeah.
A couple of those a day, and we're really happy. So on one side, we have the open and this down trend line, the ugly one. On the other side, we got the 5-minute moving average, and in the middle, we got VWAP. So basically just ranging so far.
It's true, I put up the moving averages on the chart.
And since it's a no news Monday, this might be the whole day.
Well, it looks like it wants to try and push higher, which means it's probably going to trade lower.
NQ kind of looks like it's ready to jump, but the ES looks like it might want to go down. Kind of got this head and shoulders pattern on the ES.
Yeah, taking a look at it right now.
And that means that the ES tried to give a breakout when the NQ didn't.
Yeah, ES is... Right now, ES is looking weaker. Right now as we speak. Properties, you know what? The period break lines are just way too strong. Maybe that's part of the data series. Let's make it dots and 1. My 30-minute chart is just way too busy and I missed a trade. Oh well, I missed a long at 32. I wouldn't have taken it straight under the previous day's close. I didn't miss it. I didn't miss nothing. Just drink coffee time.
So my bot has a 10 o'clock limit, so if it takes anything now, it wasn't supposed to. Guess I'm gonna disable it.
Okay, well, we're getting short. A glutton for punishment.
Yeah, I don't see no short.
I'm a glutton for punishment. Oh, yeah, no, it was the butter band system.
And we're at a pivot point. I don't know if I said that.
I'm probably going to put in, not probably, I'm definitely going to put in a, what do you call it? A filter on the butter band system. Volatility has to be, I would say, under 14 in order to trade it, because if the volatility is higher, it's strong.
Maybe that's what I need to add is like an ATR over a certain number or something. But then like you said, if the candle's more than like 100 points, then it shouldn't take it.
Yeah. You know what my favorite one was? When the stop was really close. I measured where the stop was, and if the stop was close, it took those. Because you had such a fantastic risk profile. But the thing is, my FOMO, like, I want to take them all. I don't care where the stop is.
Right.
But yeah, that was one of the things that really improved performance. And the other thing that really improved performance was, which is a very similar theory, looking where the original trigger is and where your original stop is, looking where the 50% retrace is, and getting in only if it hits a 50% retrace.
That won't work on this system because the majority of all trades.
Oh yeah, hit profit so fast.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's just so fast.
Yeah.
And then I was trying to put in a condition where, so it goes to a 0.5 ATR, the take profit. So I was trying to put in a condition like, okay, well, when it hits 0.3, let's go to break even. And then it didn't do nothing. So I went all the way down to like a 0.1. It still didn't do nothing. So basically that's saying that once it's in green, it's the probability of success is extremely high. So basically, if it's gonna be a losing trade, it's gonna lose right away.
Yeah.
Well, not right away, but I mean it's gonna go negative right away. So once it's pretty much any way in the green, then the probability is extremely high. So what should I put ATR above? Like, what's the threshold? Like 17 or something? 15?
You mean the periods?
Well,
how many periods it's calculated on?
Well, that would be 14, right?
Default is 14. I like it to be more responsive. I set it to 6 all the time. I like to know what's happened, and because I'm a short-term scalper. I'm not really taking, swing trades to. I don't want to know what happened in the last 14 bars. I want to know what's happening now.
Right.
So I set it to 6, but yeah, 14.
But then, what would be your baseline after that?
Well, see, that's what I'm saying. I know the numbers. On the 6.
Like right now, what's your ATR?
Right now, in the 1 minute, it's 14.
That's what I got, 14.
Yeah.
So you would consider this low, right?
For this time of the morning, yeah, it's pretty low.
Maybe I'll do like a 10 and try it from there. I have to be above a 10. I don't know.
Like for me, 25 is high volatility. Anything over 30 is very high volatility. And if you start approaching 40 and 50, that's like dangerous, crazy volatility. When you're getting 50 points on the last 6 bars on average. The range for the 1 minute candles, that's you don't have time to react. You don't have time to react, trying to get in, trying to get out.
Right. I did add a condition where I could use 2 different stops. So I can use the original stop, and then I can also use a point-based stop. And then I can use them both at the same time. So it can be the original stop and or say minus 100 points.
Yeah, but I don't know if the ATR will work for you because you're using the opening range.
Right. I was
But
thinking
wait a
the
minute.
same
You're
thing.
doing your no. I was saying that because I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. So I'm saying you could have a 20-point candle and then another 20-point candle underneath it. They're both 20 points,
Right.
but the 2 minute range is 40 points. But no, you're on a 2 minute chart. So no, your ATR will work because it's measuring the ATR on the 2 minute charts and you're on the 2 minute chart. So that's fine. You're not going to get an under reading. You'll get a good reading.
Yeah, I think I do want to add that condition about the candle size. But even with I think I used an 80-point stop, and even that lowered the win rate a bit. I think if I was to put it on a funded account, I would maybe use something like that. But to look at the numbers, the difference is just greatly in your favor not to have it.
Yeah, problem with all that, I have a tendency to optimize for the behavior of the markets in the last 2 weeks, but then it falls apart because
Changes.
the market behavior changes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, nice. I wanted to get in on that.
I did too,
Nice.
but no pullback. All right, we got open range high right here. We can either get a pullback or we can push above and get a pullback to the open range high. Go from there. I would like to program that one also. A pullback to the open range high. Set it for like 10 points. So it's got to push above 10 points and then pull back. You get a pullback here, but I don't know if that was enough above it to consider it a pullback.
If we can get up to 88. Get over 90. Wow, nice run on the raincoats. That'd be nice. I wouldn't complain. I would trade Butterband system not working well for an increase in volatility. I'll make that trade. If higher volatility comes back to the markets and it screws up that system, I'm good with that.
So we did get all that. We did get above that trend line and held it. So we're in a fairly bullish conditions.
I didn't even look. You're
Held
right.
above the open. We held above the pivot point. ES is making new highs.
Yeah, it is. And we're starting to make new highs.
So we are above the VWAP second deviation. I think we push a little bit higher, get a pullback, then continue. Alright, I gotta re-up my drink. Be back in a sec.
Okay, I went long for it. Oh, just the one lot. That's cool. I was gonna say I thought that was a 2 lot, but if we close below the bands on the Renko chart, I'll get out. Hopefully we'll push higher. I can pull out 7, 8, 9, 10 points on this. I'm long at 75. Let's get into the 80s. No, heading lower and it closes. Take me out. Hey, take me out. Okay. There we go. Finally, a winner on the butter bands. It's looking like we would never have a winner anymore. Wow. Bullish momentum. 65% versus 35%. That's pretty high. $10.21. See, that could be also some kind of filter we can use maybe on the butter band system. It's going to need a better filter. Or what we can use as a filter is a stop loss. If it reaches a certain loss in the day, come back tomorrow. I did say we were going to watch it for 5 days minimum. One day does not make or break a system. Actually, it'll probably start doing better now because the volatility's come down. The average range on the 1 minute candle is 11 points. So this is, I think, the sweet spot for the butter band system, around 10, 11 points or less.
Just that pullback we've been waiting for.
Mm-hmm.
Pullback to the open.
Yes, it's coming down also.
Oh yes, a little bit deeper in it. And we got a reversal pattern. Evening star on the 2 minute.
Is Bitcoin doing anything? No.
Going to the moon, isn't it?
121, yeah, 121,000. I'm just looking if we had any good trades using the Renkos. Got a little tight there for a bit, but yeah, it was a nice one.
Is that 121 now?
121.5, yeah.
I was thinking it made new highs over the weekend, didn't it?
It must have, yeah. Unless it made it last night, but either way, it is new highs. As far as I know, I don't think it got above 120 or maybe just a little bit last week. Ruan was here. I don't know if you know Ruan. He was, oh my God. Wow, look at that. 90% bearish bars on NQ in the last 60 bars.
Seen a bunch of people on Facebook talking about Bitcoin. Like, all right, must be running again. The crazy thing is everybody's buying it now, and it's like,
yeah, I know, it's always like that.
The ship done sold, buddy. You can't buy something that's up freaking 5,000%.
You can officially play the donkey.
Uh-oh.
I chased. I'm out though.
Yeah, we'll let this
You don't have to play it, I'm out.
We'll let this one slide.
I chased. I got out. I don't think I lost anything.
I could play Batman instead. Kids love Batman.
Well, then do all the characters.
I gotta find some more of them that the kids like. Sometimes they're in the other room watching the stream.
Mm.
Plus, I get beat out by one of those completely annoying freaking gamer streamers.
Huh.
I asked my son, I said, so what is it? The more annoying you are, the more subscribers you get?
Pretty much, yeah.
He's like, yeah, pretty much. He watches that stuff, and I watch it for a little bit. I want to throw myself out the window.
Yeah, their reactions are a little over the top.
God, these people got millions of subscribers, man. Millions.
Some of them, yep.
And some of the, not even the streamers, some of the other ones I watch, they like reenact little scenes and stuff.
Mm.
Little
With
fake
costumes and everything.
little, sometimes, yeah, a little fake acting. It's so terrible.
Mm-hmm. I think I know what you mean. Yeah.
Little fake skits and stuff, fake acting.
That's original though. Reenacting what happened in the game.
No. These ain't the gaming ones. They're they come up with scripts and they act out the scripts. But everybody, like, they'll have the whole family doing it, and every one of them's just like trying to compete on who could be more annoying.
Mm.
Oh, this could be a trade right here. Better wake up.
It's like the prank videos. Also, some of them, they're so fake. You can sniff them out from a mile away.
Oh yeah.
You know that it's fake.
Jose says, "Who you guys talking about?" There's this guy called Patrick Whelan. Man, he's annoying. He talks a bunch, but has a ton of subscribers. But he does know how to trade. Patrick Whelan could fit that description, yes. But no, I wasn't talking about him.
He put out a little a tweet yesterday. I think it was yesterday. It said that, throw me your meanest comment or your biggest insult, and the one that's the most devastating, I'll send $1,000 to. I said, wow, that's good. You get a bunch of haters out there, and then you end up giving one of them money.
You got to give it to him, though. He does have his share of haters.
Yeah.
But I don't know that I would agree that he's a good trader. To each their own.
Yeah. I have no idea.
This guy throws thousands of accounts a year. So imagine if you had a dartboard, right? And you stood back and you had 1,000 darts. Sooner or later, you have to hit something, right? I mean, it would be
really good at that move.
It would be hard not to.
Yeah. Hey, good afternoon, guys. I was just talking about you, Ruan. I was telling everybody how you put me on to Bitcoin. Although my Bitcoin trading, it's not doing so bad. I'm doing it on Sim 102, down 248, but it's not really down 248. Hard to explain, but I don't watch it that closely, so one of my exits, it went a lot farther than what I would have exited, probably down $80, which is not bad for a 5 lot. Now I don't have time to watch it, but would have caught a couple of nice down moves. Actually, there might be another one over here.
Jose, Patrick is a good entertainer, though. That's where he excels.
Absolutely. Buy stop. Now I put in my buy stop orders, and I got in a kind of a little late. I haven't seen you, Omnius. How are you? Ruin wants to know how you doing. Doing good?
Doing great.
Omnius is in a good mood today. His bot killed it. My bot got decimated.
I'm just happy to be back trading and be able to relax. Lately, my weekends have been full throttle. Not bad. You got to wait till Monday to relax. I feel like everybody else is doing it, is saying it backwards. Oh yeah, that's right. Ruinava. Oh, what do you call them? Ruin? Okay, I'll go with that. Ruin. Yeah, Ruin's normally on at night, right?
Middle of the night, yeah.
Evening?
No, like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. I think at his times. I think he's
You're not seeing me at 4 in the morning. No, I seen
5. I think he's 5 hours ahead on the time zone. So
I've seen him on your evening stream.
yeah, that would be odd. Because
Am I
Ryan,
right?
what time is it? Let's find out. Ryan, what time is it for you now? I don't think I've seen him in the evening. I think only in the overnighters.
No way.
Right now it's 10:35 for me. I think you're 3 in the afternoon right now. No, if I remember. Yeah, 4:35 p.m. Yeah. So he's 6 hours ahead.
So say 7 o'clock at night, it would be
1 in the morning for him.
right.
Yeah, so 3 in the morning. That's when I do those overnight streams. For him, it's like 8, 9 in the morning. It's his wake up.
Well, I've definitely seen his name a few times, and I want to know 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, Sim 102 got stopped out.
Oh, this is just kind of a dead market today, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Could go down some more. I don't know.
12-point range. Range is coming down. Under 10 is really crappy.
Jose, how'd your trade work out earlier? You take another one? Or was that the only one? Then you said you took take profit 1. So we could be going down to the Vista VWAP again. Oh, I was going to ask you a question, Mike. So I see a lot of people, most people trade Apex. That's the most popular. But Apex has the rule now that you can only lose so much of your account on one trade, right?
Yep, 30%.
The 30%.
On one trade.
That's like $700, right?
On a 50K account, it's about seven. I think it's 750. But once you pass the 53,000, or the 2,500, which is your drawdown,
Yeah.
then it's calculated on your balance. So if you bring it up to 55,000, now you can risk 1,500 on that one trade.
Okay. And my question is how are all these other streamers like Patrick and a Future Scalper and Rips? How are they all trading 2, 3, 4 minis?
I don't get it. It makes no sense to me.
$700. That's like 10 points, 8 points.
Unless they have $80,000 accounts or something like that.
Yeah, something don't seem right.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And they're doing it every day?
Every day. They're just risking it all, it seems, and
then if
trying for big numbers.
Now stack it on top of that, because Apex also has the trailing drawdown.
Drawdown, consistency rule, all of that.
So you could also think that if you go up $700, then you come back down to break even, you still violated the rule, right? Because that would still be more than a $700 drawdown.
No, it doesn't violate the $300. No, it's a $300 risk. That's based on your balance. So if your balance is $2,500, like you have $2,500 in risk.
Yeah.
You can't go down by 700. But what you said, if you go up 700 and then come down and get a break even, what that's going to do is that's going to affect your trailing drawdown, because your trailing drawdown just rose by $700.
Right.
Because it trails your high water mark. But no, you didn't violate the risk rule, because you didn't put the balance at risk.
So you're saying,
you know what I mean?
Once that trade ends, then you're going off of it?
You see, I don't know if they calculate. I don't know if they calculate it once a day or they move it around a day for the 30% risk. I think from my understanding, it's once per day. They just check your balance at the beginning of the day. Hold on, I got to take this.
Yeah, it makes me wonder how some of these bigger streamers are trading 2, 3, 4, 5 lots. What was that? You think a 5 lot, what's that, like 4 points or something? 4 or 5 points? Let's see. 20 times 5 be 100 per point. I guess that'd be about 7 points. They're just kind of chopping sideways.
He does pop lots of accounts, and going back to what we were talking about before, Omnius, I don't understand how they trade like that, because no prop firm wants a trader that does that, that risks the account trying to make the account balance or more. Nobody wants you using the account as a stop loss anymore. So I don't know who they're doing it with. I don't watch.
Rana, I know he blows a lot of accounts, Future Scalper, but my question is like with Apex, they say if you break the 30% rule, then you can be like, they'll make it where you can't get any more accounts for a while, put you on like a probation.
Probation, yeah.
So my question is, not only is he blowing accounts, but if he's breaking these rules, why is he not being put on the probation like everybody else? So if he's trading a 5 lot, that's 7 points of drawdown. Can't nobody take every trade and not take 7 points of drawdown on the NQ.
Yeah. But I happened to be coincidentally on one of his streams, and he said this exact sentence. Apex kind of like reinstated me. They got rid of him.
Yeah.
I don't know what word to use. They said, we don't want you here no more. And then the stream that I was on, he said that they brought me back. Oh, he's not trading with Apex anymore? Okay, so I was on a stream. I don't remember how long ago it was.
Thought he was back with Apex.
Ago. Yeah, when he said he was back now with Apex, but I don't see how we can trade with Apex. Someone was telling me over here that he's with Apex, but he trades differently with the Apex accounts.
Maybe.
We don't watch it close enough. I don't know.
No. I only go by his stream once a month, once every other month.
Yeah, like the same thing I know Patrick Whelan was saying. Shut up with the consistency rule. Patrick, how do you make $40,000 with the consistency rule? He says, shitheads, I make $40,000 every day. The consistency rule doesn't matter. So
yeah,
that was his reply.
I think he don't like talking about it. But you got to ask, say Patrick, how's he trading these large numbers? But then he's not breaking that consistency rule?
Yeah, and same thing with Rips. I've seen Rips trading. When I watched it, it was just pretty much, I don't know. For me, it was just straight out gambling.
I seen one guy on a top step one time. It was a while ago, but they actually kicked the guy off top step. I couldn't remember who it was. Do you know who it was?
No.
They literally stopped. Right? They literally stopped the stream and kicked them off. And the one guy came back out and he's like, "I'm sorry, we just can't have that on this channel."
I think I heard that story.
Yeah, it was a guest. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't remember who it was.
Might have been Danny Trades.
But he was just taking like these wild trades out of nowhere. And they're like, this guy is not for real. We can't have that. Like, it was so bad they stopped the stream to kick him off. They're like, we got to go to break for a second. If I remember it correctly. It was a while ago. I think they were like, we got to go to break for a second and then come back. And like, sorry, we had to cut that.
Gold's going down, 33.52.
He must have been doing it pretty bad, though, for them to stop the stream and kick him off like that.
Yeah.
I think at first they were going to claim it was like technical difficulties. But then the guy come out and he's like, nah, we can't have that shit on this stream.
Because of minis and the no stop loss. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's how they all seem to trade. I don't know how they're getting away with it.
Is that what it was? No stop loss?
Whatever it was, I tell you what it was reckless.
But was he trading like a large number of minis? Was he like 5, 6, 7 minis and no stop loss?
I'm sure.
Might have to look it up. Go back and watch it. If they still got it available, they might have took the stream down. Patrick Whelan's got 3.6 thousand people watching.
It's, you will see people on Top Step used to trade minis. I saw, what's his face? FSP had 6,000 people in his room one day. Maybe he was having a giveaway last week or something. It was pretty recent. Because usually he has 2,000 to 3,000. I said, oh my God, look at that, 6K. He gives away about 4 to 6 accounts a day. Dakota and all of them are trading micros now. No kidding. Dakota's trading micros.
Top Step's got almost 4,000 people watching.
Well, if you are trading a 50K account, you should be trading micros. Guys, it's a good time to announce the sub of the week. Does anyone want to guess who the sub of the week is? Anyone? I'll give you 2 minutes. Sub of the week.
Future Scalper has 2.4.
Yes, you want to guess sub of the week?
Sub of the week. Wait, I know this one. Wait, is it the dog? Wait, is it the dog or the cat?
Mole Hill. You think Molehole? You think it's Molehole?
Molehole?
Butterstun's dog?
Yeah, there you go.
No, it's not Molehole.
Look, hey, you can't be hating against the dogs, man. Come on.
No, Butters was sub of the week last week. It's not Butters. It is
Peter Pan.
What chip?
Woo! Does that mean you're going to have the how much chip could a wood chip?
I forgot about that. I forgot about that one, but he's not in the room. So, the original gangster. My sub number 1. Number 1.
I can't
Lord
find
knows what.
I can't find the Top Step where they kicked the guy off. Maybe they took the video down.
If he shows up, I'll play it for him. Okay, well, the accounts that matter are up, right? I guess that's the most important thing. And it's only 10:49, and we have only 10 points of range in the 1 minute candles. Which is now when the butter band strategy is going to do well. Well, let it play out. Congrats, Woodchip. He's going to come in the room. He's going to go, what did I win?
Right.
A new car. On the price is right. Like, you remember? Did you ever watch The Price is Right with the Showcase Showdown?
Yeah.
Jesus, and it was so ridiculous because you always knew it. They would show the first one. What are you going to do? You're going to keep it or pass? Pass. Of course you're going to pass. The new car was always in the second one. I don't know why they didn't mix it up a little bit. Nobody ever took the first one. First one was lousy. It was a blender and a carpet and a couch. And then the second one was like over the top. A trip to Hawaii every year, and a car, and a camper, and a motorcycle. First guy would bid 6,000 on his, and the other one would bid 72,000. It was like so off like that. Is he still alive, Bob Barker? Any idea? Oh, we got a trade. See, and look. That's it for me. 67 was my entry. Yeah, like the way I do it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Well, I'm doing a window capture. Just do a window capture. And then you crop it. Yeah. And yeah, it's gonna take me a long time. Mm. Getting all these insanely heavy metal videos. Oh, there we go. What does that mean? I'm like, I hear myself. Uh,
Yeah, there. Thought I had a mic.
you got like
Did you hear me? Really? I'm on a different one now. Hold on. Let me go back to it. I'm on a different one now. Hold on. Let me go back to it.
see? Yeah, listen to my phone.
Okay.
Wait.
Listen to my phone. Okay. Wait to my phone.
Yeah, you're not coming through now. You're right.
I don't know how that happened.
I don't know. You were coming through on the other one.
Okay. Add the notes. Add mic. Not that mic, but this mic.
You're coming through. Omnius.
I'm coming through now. I got switched over to a different scene. It's a work in progress.
Yeah, I always have to do house cleaning with these with this software. I don't know what happened, why everything was so frazzled. I had to do a half an hour of adjustments. Everything was twisted and uncropped. I swear to God, either my computer is receiving electrical shocks or someone opens it up at night when I'm sleeping and says, we're going to fuck him up. We're going to move everything.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to think he's crazy.
I think they're just doing a lot of like updates and stuff to the streaming.
Yeah, there was a new update today. Maybe that's it.
So many of them competing against each other now that they're all.
No, but you are right.
I was trying to wait to find out if I have to switch streaming software before changing stuff around, but I pushed the date back, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on it. I like Prism, but if they're gonna start charging for everything, I might go with OBS. OBS is free, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And not only that, then you can put in the, you can add StreamerBot, and if you want to learn how to use StreamerBot, it's a little hard to use, but...
What's the StreamerBot?
That's the one that I coded the deal me in for, the beat the dealer.
Oh, yeah.
But it'll also notify you when you get a new sub. It could run contests and, interactive games. There's a lot of functionality with StreamerBot. I'm underselling it. I just know I saw another video and I said, oh, really? I could do that? It was like a really good tool.
I'm sure I could do that. I'm sure I could do that on Prism. Prism's built on OBS.
Okay.
Pretty much anything that works on OBS works on Prism.
Gotcha. I think there's this tool in StreamerBot where you can just click a hotkey and it'll save a clip for you the last minute.
Oh, yeah?
Automatically. That's the functionality I think I was saying. Oh, shit, you can do that? You just press a key.
That's cool.
And it'll record the last minute. It saves like a little buffer, maybe the last 2 minutes or something. And that'll help you with your, what do you call it there? Your highlight reel?
Right.
But with that being said, I just broke my surprise because that's the app that I worked on yesterday in Python.
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, you was telling me that you worked on something this morning.
Yes. So, you have your file that it creates there, the keylogger, whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with the script, it reads the keylogger and it goes to the video and it pulls out the 1 minute. Well, you can set it forever how you want it. I set it for 1 minute. Unfortunately, it's hard coded, but you can just pop the code into Python and tell it to change it or make it even an input field. But anyways, it'll take 1 minute from before that timestamp and it'll make you a clip. Wait, and it gets better. And then it creates the highlight reel for you with a fade transition.
That would be cool.
You just press one button. If you did your control caps lock during the morning session, all you got to do is click one app on your screen on your desktop, and your highlight reel's created. You don't have to do nothing. Okay, it might not be perfect, but you just get better with your control caps. If you see something, try to time it so that it's somewhere in between, in the 1 minute thing. So like maybe if something's good that you want to capture, wait another 20 seconds before you hit control caps lock. But it's only 1 minute clips. Each clip is exactly 1 minute. So there's still a lot of work to do. You want?
Yeah, I think I would look. I think 3 minutes would probably be better.
I'm going to create a GUI, a graphic user interface or whatever, graphical user interface. And that way we'll be able to make adjustments 1 minute before or 30 seconds before the log entry. Do we want to have some after the log entry? How long we want it to cut the crop? But for me, I think the best thing is because it also saves you the clips.
Yeah.
It saves you the clips, doesn't just create the highlight reel. So then with the clips, I can go now. I don't have to still go over my video and manually pull them out. The clips are ready. I can just drop them into OBS and then crop them. And
plus, you could be more frequent with it because you won't have to go back and find it, and you can just go back, watch those clips, and discard whatever you don't want and move on.
Yep. Yeah. And man, it'll make life a lot easier. Oh, someone's here. Dave, you going up? I was going to say, get the door. It's an Amazon package.
I take it Butters was long.
Woohoo! No, I think he won in deal me in.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see it now.
I want to chase, play the donkey. I need my own donkey. Didn't I have a donkey?
You're the one that gave me mine.
I have a donkey. Hold on, let me get my donkey out.
Fine, I'll play the donkey. Just so you don't chase. Wait, I don't have it on this one. Okay, switch over. I like that I got it to where I can switch and like everything switches with me. So like, oh, I'm gonna have an issue with that on, maybe, I don't know. So I switch, you switch, everything switches with me. All right, where's Donkey? Donkey, donkey, donkey.
Donkey, donkey, donkey.
Don't be a jackass. Don't chase. Don't be chase the donkey.
Chase the donkey, yeah. Yeah, it's a nice move here. It's great. We're getting some good extensions here.
I need one. I need a pop-up that says "to the moon."
And yet the volatility is low. Go figure.
Oh, we're pumping now.
Go figure. Yeah, I'm gonna play one of mine.
It's not fair. I don't get to watch it.
I don't even know if Skeletor ever saw this.
Look what I found.
It's a two-parter.
Really?
Oh yeah.
That was
We're
part
getting
one?
Complex. That was part one. That's nasty.
That's funny. Whatever anybody says, it's still funny. Yeah, if you can't have fun while you're trading, what's the point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need one that says "to the moon."
To the moon.
And then another one that says "in the trash can."
The trash can. That's better than mine with the push and the pull, huh?
Then maybe get the guy from Sesame Street, the one in the trash can.
Grover. I think
Yeah,
it's Grover.
get him to pop out.
I might know that. I don't know. You're into all the trademark characters, huh? You're walking the line, man. You're skating on thin ice.
Oh yeah. Okay. We need a character that looks like the character from Sesame.
There you go.
And this ain't Batman, just looks like Batman. We'll call him.
All you do is you say a scruffy puppet with hair all over his body, kind of like a Bigfoot.
Yeah.
He's blue in a trash can.
Right. And this one ain't Batman, it's a tribute to Batman. Play that one. Because I'm Batman.
Because I'm Batman.
Like crazy.
The kids love the character that looks like Batman. Hey, I haven't got flagged yet, and I feel like you get at least one, right? Unless 6 months go by, and then they tell me I have to delete all my streams. I feel like it should fall under the fair use.
Should, but it doesn't. It's fair use. Well, how is it fair use? You created it and I get to use it? And that seems fair?
Seems fair to me. Well, it's a fair use just means that you're not competing with them. They don't want you competing with them with their creation.
Yeah.
So I'm not competing with them. I don't have no cartoon.
Well, I've heard that you can use the same name as long as it's like a different business. Like, I don't know, let's say, I don't know, what's that restaurant you guys always ask me to have over here? Or McDonald's. Like, you can make McDonald's hardware store, and they can't go after you. But you can't open up a restaurant and call it McDonald's.
Yeah, but that's not fair use. That's just something different. Fair use would be like you're using the McDonald's logo in your video, but you're making fun of them. Like haha, look at these freaking idiots. McDonald's, they suck.
Yeah, that's...
So that would be fair use.
That is a... Oh, wait, I'm going to get a trade? That is something that's, yeah.
So you're like something for criticism or something like that. So this is what, our first attempt at a resistance?
The problem with all that is, though, they have a lot more money to spend on legal fees.
Oh, God.
I do, so
it's not like I could fight them.
I wouldn't want to go there. I stay safe.
Not only that, if you fight YouTube too many times and you lose, they could still delete your channel. I wouldn't want to do that either. I mean, if I was to get flagged on something like that, I'd just stop using it. I don't know that I'd fight that.
Well, everything I got flagged on was accidental.
Majority of everything I've been flagged on has been music.
Yep, that's all that I've been flagged on, actually.
I did get flagged on news one time.
Oh, yeah?
I think I was telling you that. Remember I told you can't have it more than like a quarter of your screen?
Oh, yeah.
Or you can't play it for more than so long without pauses.
Yeah.
Because you're going under the fair use doctrine. You're playing the news, but that can't be your stream, right? That could be like a part of it, or you're making fun of it, or you're doing this, but it can't be the stream. Same with the man that looks like Batman, right? I feel like I can use it, but it can't be the stream. If anything, I probably could make it a little bit smaller. Might do that. Give me a better fair use argument. Nowadays, we need a stream lawyer to help us out, huh?
Yeah, there is a channel like that. I've seen it.
Is there, like, telling you what you can and can't do?
Yep. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, it's out there.
I heard there was people pushing YouTube to add a feature that tells you if something's violating their terms. They might do it, they might not. You know, in TikTok, they tell you if something's flagged or gonna be flagged.
Oh, okay.
You can, like, scan all your videos and it'll tell you if there's an issue.
Well, most of the times that I got flagged was when I have, like right now, I'm picking you up through my headphones.
Yeah.
That's the audio output also that's on my stream. And I forget. So I'll open up somebody else's stream, or I'll open up something on YouTube and it'll be playing music.
Yeah.
And it picks it up and plays it on my stream. And then I go, oh shit, and I close it within 2 seconds, but it gets flagged.
So you're not pulling it directly from Discord?
I
Why?
don't remember why. I don't think it worked. That's why.
I got you right.
I
I got you right from Discord.
No, I tried. It didn't work out for me right.
That's weird. Maybe try it again.
Yeah. Okay, I bailed. Oh yeah, I remember what it's called now. It's called application audio capture. Yeah, no, it really works sporadic on OBS.
Yeah.
And you have to reset it every time.
Why?
I don't know why. I don't know. You have to reset it every time.
Shouldn't have to.
Yeah, not me and Joker. Both of us, we had to. Every time, every
day. So that's what I'm using. Is the application audio capture. Then I have it set up on 3 or 4 different scenes now. So it seems to be working across everything.
Wow.
Let me go back to this one. And then I have it copying the original reference. So then I can switch scenes, everything. Everything seems to work seamlessly. Don't have to go clicking a bunch of stuff when I change. I like being able to switch the scenes because you kind of get complacent to one, right? Kind of change it around, keep it interesting. I just got to copy more things over. Yeah, I did have the donkey on this one.
09. See 10. Six, 9, 2. 23,000 better hold.
All right, there we go. Now I got my pop-ups on this one.
What is your Apex code? Floor. It's not on the screen. FLOOR.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. What's the Apex discount right now anyways? It's
And that code you got, that's for gives you the highest probability of winning, right?
winning what?
Not only the cheapest price, but the highest probability of passing the account, right?
Passing your account.
You gotta tell people that. Say, look, this code has the highest probability of winning, of passing the account.
And it guarantees you to be sub of the week.
That might be pushing it. Unless you buy 10. I gotta message them. Been putting it off.
Yeah, and I'm gonna contact Take Profit Trader also soon. I saw a guy with a channel. He had like 200 subscribers. He had a Take Profit Trader code.
Well, I understand they're kind of hit or miss. Like some people they let in, some people they don't.
I don't see why they would care. To be honest with you. To be honest with you, I think they would want little channels that can't even meet the threshold for payouts. Let's say if they say, you got to reach $100, only then we're going to pay you.
Right.
So you have this little army of small channels that are all bringing you in a little bit of business, but they're not making it to $100. You never have to pay them, but yet they brought you in referrals. I can't imagine the accounting is a nightmare. It's probably all done by computers, so they don't need some guy, working the books and writing all the transactions in by hand that they're saying, oh, it's too much.
So my thought on that is, all the prop firms, they have to comply with new rules, and they're slowly implementing those rules. And I think one of the issues is they don't want the buddy system. And that's what they're trying to get rid of.
Yeah.
So you have a CME or whoever saying, look, you got buddy system, you got everybody gambling, everybody's using each other's codes to gamble, and they're trying to get rid of that.
Yeah, so that's actually what Apex did when they got rid of me. Is the stream cutting? No, Butters, I don't think it's cutting out. Sometimes I redline, and maybe that's what it is. But if you're talking about the whole stream, no, I'm watching it. It's playing properly, and it's up to date. That's 10:18. I'm 3 seconds behind. I will share your link until I get my own Skeletor. Emperor awake again. Didn't see many bands we were playing there, so was busy with their staff. I'm watching this girl lately. She's coming up on my stream. I don't know if you guys seen her. Ginger. Jinjer. What a voice on this girl.
Is she a streamer or?
No, kind of similar music that.
Oh, you're talking about the band. The band.
Yeah,
Ginger.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know it?
Yeah. As soon as you said that, that's what I was thinking of, and I was like, "You talking about a streamer? Or you talking about the band?"
Okay. But if she's the one I'm thinking about, I don't see how they do that voice without bleeding at the end of the concert. Seriously, it's that hard voice,
Yeah.
I know. Look what Journey, the singer.
Some people find that easier than some of the other stuff.
Yeah.
Dishwasher. Yes.
I know they're saying that the way that the songs for Journey are composed, that a singer can't last very long singing like that. Well, I mean, very long. 7 years, 8 years, and it'll just tear their chords apart. But yeah, Ginger. That's it. Jinjer. Oh no, I know the Ginger. Jin. You're saying, yeah, Ginger. No, the one I seen was Jinjer. Just like you wrote it there on the second message.
Yeah, I thought that's what you said.
Yeah, no, but I think OFT is saying ginger like the spice. He goes, yeah, ginger, Ginger, and then he wrote no ginger. Oops. This is the girl I saw. That's the way I think the sign was on the back wall. It was a pretty big concert. It was outdoor.
Oh yeah, that's a big band.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're popular all over the place.
I think I don't know. I think it does well for a band when you have a female singer like that.
Oh yeah. One I like better is damn, now I can't think of it.
I saw another one also. Yep.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
There is, yeah. They're coming up. I don't know why they're coming up in my streams lately, but I go on YouTube and it's like 30% of my feed now are these.
Oh, look up Arch Enemy.
Okay.
They have a female singer also.
I think what happens is once you watch one or two of them, YouTube assumes you're interested in this, so they keep feeding it to you.
Oh yeah.
And then what happens is the girls look good, so I click on it. Oh, he must really like these videos.
Mm-hmm.
They keep feeding it to me more and more.
Yeah, Ginger's alright. I like Arch Enemy better.
Okay.
Some of the other ones.
All right, back to work. Al, push your code. We were touring with 3 female heavy metal bands. I mean, female lead singer. We were only male front band. No kidding. Sounds like an adventure. Sounds fun. Living life. Arch Enemy's suit's also better for me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll check up Arch Enemy. We'll see what they're like.
And Kitty, they used to be really good, but then they kind of went to more pop stuff.
Is that one word, Art?
Kitty was big in the early like 2000s and stuff.
Yeah. Is that one word, Arch Enemy, or is it 2 words?
Probably 2.
Yeah. See, that's how I would get flagged. I used to forget. Now I'm better. I remember, but I would open it up now on YouTube to check it out, and because it's picking up my audio output, it would play it on my stream, and then I would go, oh shit, and then close it, but too late. Even though they are Swedish. You said the other one was Swedish too, no? The band's coming out of Sweden. Yeah, I think I remember seeing that too.
Sweden's big for the death metal bands.
Okay.
Maybe Sweden's like the death metal capital of the world now. It used to be Tampa, Florida. A lot of the original death metal and stuff came from Tampa, Florida. What did you play music on the stream?
No. I was just saying that in the old days, I used to open up my browser, and because the way I have my audio output being captured, I would play it. Like right now, I would type in Arch Enemy just to check it out, and then I would play it, and then I would realize it's coming onto my stream.
Oh God!
But by the time you realize it and you shut it, you're already flagged.
Yep. So I got everything from the desktop muted.
Oh shit. OFD was in Sweden last week. Says they're driving supercars in the city all night long.
That'd be fun, but yeah, I can see where it'd be hard to sleep.
Still trying to pull up Sweden. Ain't metal capital of the world. Finland is. Take your words back now.
Take
Take them back now.
You take it back right now.
I'll push ice cream in your face.
Finland's got a lot of good metal bands too.
Mm.
I was saying there's a lot of death metal that comes from Sweden. Swedish death metal. Or is it black metal? One of them's got the black metal. I don't know. It's cool seeing how the different countries and stuff got different types of stuff. Different music.
Oh, Sweden also has ABBA. What do you want, Sparky?
Yeah, I like In Flames. Although the singer of In Flames, I think his voice has kind of went down. I don't know. I like some of their older concerts. They got a lot of good songs though. Could you imagine being in a band touring around for years and years and years, day after day, getting up there singing for an hour or two?
It's got to be hard. It really does. It's the same songs for you.
I think people don't. I think people don't understand just how much that takes out of you.
Yep.
And all that while you're standing under the lights of hell. Because when you look at that stage and you see everything lit up, those lights are so freaking hot, so bright. Trying to play a song while your soul's being burnt.
But it must be, I would say, almost a high, because look at how long the bands are going. And I don't think it's because they need the money, so they must really like it.
I think you get used to it, and then what else you gonna do? Go sit at home?
No,
Imagine how boring that would be if you spent 10 years on the road. Then you're sitting at home, you're like, what do I do now?
Yeah.
Go watch some YouTube videos?
From my town comes that Blood Red Hourglass. If you like In Flames, that's the band to check. They are getting bigger now, touring in Europe. A lot of festival ads. Blood Red.
Yeah, I have to check them out.
Hourglass.
I don't think I've ever heard of that one.
We got over initial balance high, and we're trading above it within a 30-point range. We didn't really even do a retest, a true retest where we poked back inside it or touched it. Every retest got front run by a few points. And we didn't take out the Asia lows, eh?
Yeah, we didn't really get a good retest
whoa,
open range.
So close. Look at that, within like a point or 2 points. Okay, now back to work. Added your Apex codes. Yeah, thanks a lot, OFT. I really appreciate it, eh? Here, let me give you a push. Push it. Push my code.
Push.
I miss your voice. I'm waiting for you to come back up. Smooth.
What we got? We're taking this long?
Good old OFT. Taking this long? I don't know. The 11:30 wood chip alert.
Be what, the second, third attempt?
Wood chip says 11:30. You can expect a move.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Well, that sucks, Butters.
You can't suck butter.
You want to know a true story? It's hilarious. How did it happen? We were at someone's house and they sliced butter into these squares. You know, from the. It wasn't the big butter that was big like this. It was the square. It's like an inch by an inch. So they cut these squares and they put it in the plate. My wife was eating it. She thought it was cheese. And the host goes, "What are you doing? Who eats butter?" Just pieces. She goes, "Butter? I thought it was some really creamy cheese."
That's funny. Did she spit it out or continue eating it?
No, she stopped. And every time we go back to their house, they laugh, they make fun. We make that joke over and over and over and over. I got my Ethernet port installed in my basement. Cool. Okay. No more Wi-Fi now then. Now we got the real stuff going. Oh, I have a long at 09.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Are you?
Though I do have to pee, so I'd like it if it would just hurry up and go.
Shit, yeah. Well, go for you because I missed it. You haven't eaten a little pure butter. You haven't lived. I'll let her know.
All right. I gotta go to the bathroom. Don't let this tray go against me.
I won't.
Do the push thing or something.
Okay. Well. Yep. We are long, and I don't see a setup for me. Be quiet, Sparky. Long and in trouble. I feel like they have me trapped. My stop is at 09 minus 14. That would be 5. That would be at 95. They'll probably get me and then go right back up because that's just above the initial balance. But you know what happens if I use initial balance? They'll just blow right through initial balance and then I'll lose 40 points. So I guess I got to figure out which is the lesser of the two evils. What do you want? But this is 23,000. I'll take a chance at 23,000. Nope, you're just going to tumble. 23,000 is going to hold. Every time I find a magical level to hold, it never holds. It only holds when I'm watching. Then what's it going to do? It's going to take a big bar down. One big, huge push. Yes, I'm feeling negative if you've noticed. Get out of a piece. I think. Did it get stopped out? No, it didn't get stopped out yet.
Mike, what happened?
I don't know, it just dumped.
You had one job. Did you play the push?
I did. I played the push.
Oh, man.
Yeah, there is a lot of rejection, but there's also a lot of support. Like I said, my shitty stop is right at that support.
I think it ticked my stop. See if it keeps going. Or if I got ticked out.
And at the time I said I'll let it go because there's going to be support there, I paid a price.
Yeah. Every time I say that, the support falls.
Yeah, I'm not lucky. And not only does it fall, like Joker says, it jumps out the window.
Pretty much.
It doesn't take the stairs.
Really kind of thought that's like the fourth attempt. I really thought that one would do it.
Mm.
Oh well, on to the next.
We had a little bit of recovery in the butter band strategy. We were that. What, Sparky? What? You want to come and see me? I think we were down 2,400. Come, jump. Let's go. Cats are difficult animals. Come on, come up. Let's go. There you go. You want to say hi? Hello. Sit. Sit and be quiet. And by the way, my cat is an omen. And every time my cat bothers me, my trades lose. I don't think my cat ever jumps on my lap and my trade wins.
My daughter's been begging for a cat for years.
I hated cats until we got a cat. Believe it or not. I despised them.
Look at Butterstones. Y'all are long? Really?
Yeah. Really, really?
Why didn't he say that before we got long? Y'all are, no, don't do that. What are you doing?
Hey. No tail on the keyboard. I trade with you. I don't realize Sparky was a cat. No, Sparky. Yeah, Sparky was a cat. I forgot my pet's names. Bella's our dog.
So Butters, what is it? 1 meow you go long, 2 meows you go short.
You know what? I swear to God, I'm not joking. Woodchip has that. He says that exactly what he says. 1 meow is long and 3 meows is short.
I mean, you could do it. You could find any strategy to go long or short. Sometimes I use the Spotify strategy. You ever heard of that one?
No.
So you're listening to music, and if they say something about the sky or long or green, then you go long. And if they say something about falling or going down, you go short. Actually works pretty good.
Well, in this case, my trade would have worked, but I bailed. I bailed even though we had the initial balance. Yeah, I'm trading from weekend, so I'm afraid to continue to lose money in my take profit account.
Sit on your lap, you go short.
We got a long trade, to hell with it.
Another one? This is the one that's going to do it, isn't it? If I take it, it's not going to work. If I don't take it, it's going to go to the moon.
Don't take it, because I'm in it. Do me a favor.
All right, I'm a lower size. This is what, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the 5th attempt. I need to put a thing on the stream that says what music I'm listening to. I'll be over here headbanging to some elevator music. Everybody else hears the elevator music.
Taking too long. I'm out. Like Butter says, there's too much resistance up there, and I was in a precise position. A cat's like a dog. He always wants to eat. Cats aren't supposed to be like that.
Well, it either goes up or it goes down, right?
That's what I heard. That's what Oliver Velez says. Says trading is a game of twos. The markets can go up or they can go down. You can buy or you can sell, and you can make money or you can lose.
That's right.
A child should be able to do it.
The only guarantee is that it goes to the right. And that's not even 100%. Could hit a breaker. Yeah, if you're a dog person and you get a cat, you have to understand the difference between cats and dogs. It takes a while to learn how different they are. You know, shit, in the beginning, I thought a cat wagging his tail meant he was happy like a dog. That means your cat's distressed. Really?
It's gonna bite you. Headbutts. Cats, everything from a cat is that a cat wants is from a cat's head. He wants headbutts, caress his head. Stay away from the belly and the body, because that's when they fight. That's where they get attacked.
My kids were playing with one of the neighborhood cats in the backyard. And I was like, leave that cat alone. You don't even know that cat. And the girl was like, oh, but he's so cute. And then the dogs killed it.
There it is.
Yeah. Like, Dad, dog killed the cat. Damn it, I told you to leave that cat alone. Yeah, my wife and my daughter want a cat.
We had a problem. This is a hilarious story. I love it. One of my favorites. We had a problem with stray cats in the neighborhood.
Oh, God, they breed like rabbits. You can have an infestation of cats. A lot of people don't know that.
There was. And we had some people feeding them. They really gathered in our, within 15 houses in either direction of us. We were like the center point. So I got a cage. And another one of my neighbors also said he got a cage. And if I remember correctly, the count, he trapped over 100 cats and brought it to whatever, the animal shelter. But I didn't feel like going down to the animal shelter, so I just went over the bridge. We have a bridge that goes over water, and I went into another neighborhood, dropped them off behind a church. And I was catching about 3 a day, just to let you know how bad it was. Cage. I am not joking. About 5 or 6 months later, in the news, in our major news station, it's almost like Fox and you guys, there is an unexplained explosion of stray cats in the new neighborhood, they were saying. I was in stitches. I was saying, yeah.
Pretty sure you can get in trouble for that.
No, why? I'm just relocating them.
You can't drop off animals.
What?
It's called abandoning animals.
It wasn't my animal, it was a stray cat. It was my cat. I don't have 100 cats. I'm not Catman. Hey, Catman, you got Batman? Tomorrow I'll be Catman. He's making a note. I am going to create a meme, and he's Catman with my face.
I am Catman.
Oh, there was a Catwoman. That's true. That's sexism. They made a Batwoman, didn't they?
I think that was Catwoman, wasn't it?
No, there was a Batwoman.
Was it?
I think. Maybe it was Catwoman. Because if they made a Batwoman, then they should have made a Catman. Because there was a Catwoman, but I think there was also a Batwoman in the beginning, in the old days. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong.
Well, they made a Superwoman, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And a Wonder Woman.
Yeah.
I used to watch Wonder Woman. Wow, that was a bad show. Oh boy, would that be a groaner of a show if we would watch it now. Like, zero special effects, you know? It's almost like, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, it was pretty bad. Pretty lame. I don't want a red day in my take profit account today. Call in. I was up 187. I threw it away. That's what you get for being greedy, I guess, eh?
That's how they get us. The more we trade, the more chances we got to lose.
Mm. Well, I think that's going to have to be it for the take profit account, because we're down to 8-point range on the 1 minute candles, and we're just sitting in this 25-point range over initial balance. Maybe there's a trade, a counter trend trade if we go down to the initial balance to buy again. Wait a minute, why would that be a counter trend trade? That would be a retest trade. Wouldn't be a counter trend trade. Counter trend trade would be to sell now, assuming we go back down to the initial balance. Are you shorting?
Am I? No. I'm looking to see what news we got this week.
Wood chip. Wood chip says exactly. I agree. Chip. I've been waiting for you, Wood chip. Wood chip's in the house. Short from 945. Short for 945. Wow, all the way down there? I was just saying the initial balance. Butterstunts, initial balance is the first hour of trading. It's the fancy word that the fancy traders use for the range of the hour.
Mm-hmm.
Also, like when they call it an auction. It's a failed auction. What the fuck does that mean? A failed auction? If you go outside the initial balance and then come back in it.
So what's this?
Makes sense.
Short full port?
Wood chip? Short at 945. Sorry, no, short. Targeting 945. That's a little bit over the previous day's close.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Did he see my sub of the week? He didn't comment. Wood chip. Nice. Cool. People were congratulating you before. If you go look at the chat, there was I played it when you weren't here. I didn't at this hour, and I think I played What a Legend. No, that wasn't for you. I don't know. I'm not going far. I'm going back. How am I sub of the week?
We can give him congrats again. There you go.
You mean like, there you go. How are you? Sub of the week. You're the OG. You deserve it.
Wood chip, he's just waking up, isn't he? Isn't he in California? They're like 3 hours behind.
Yeah, 8:46.
So yeah, just waking up.
We help each other out with our trading. If that doesn't deserve sub of the week, I don't know what does.
Now, does the sub of the week, do they get a sub? Like a Subway sub or something? Like a 6-inch or a foot long?
Yeah, they can go treat themselves to a foot long. They can go celebrate the win. I was up at 5 taking a couple of trades. How does sub of the week get picked? Well, I'm judge and jury. I get to decide right now.
All right, we got one more attempt at the long. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Been number 6.
Yeah, this is going to be another one for me. At 11:48. Is it worth it? Really?
The good news is it's almost time to quit, so this should be the last failed attempt.
Did you trade your Take Profit Trader account today? Oh, no, it's not Take Profit. Your competition account. Sorry.
Oh, the competition? Oh, I gave it to the bot.
Oh, yeah?
Don't tell anybody.
Okay, well, we don't have a no bot rule. There's only 2 rules. There's only 2 rules.
What was the 2 rules again?
Right there. 2 rules. You can't trade more than 5 micros and 1 rebuy.
Oh, shit. I broke one of those.
Yeah, I did too. I'm trading more than 5 micros now because I got to, I want to pass it already.
All right, here's the question. If I do break one of the rules, how long do I have to stand in the corner for?
Oh, yeah, we just give you a mulligan. Oh, here, look. There's a star. You see the people with stars after their names?
No. Where at?
Big Mike,
Skelly. Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, that means we took we got a mulligan, which is either a rebuy or we broke a rule. I broke a rule and Skelly and Chain Sub, I think, did rebuy, so.
Yeah.
But I like rebuys. I don't think a rebuy should be flagged, to be honest. What rules are you guys breaking? Me, I broke the size rule. I'm trading a little bit larger because I want to start advancements. I'm only up 800 bucks on the account, and my account doesn't renew. It just expires and goes poof. So,
yeah, that's the one I broke, the size rule. Broke it today. I gave the account to the bot, and I want to focus on working on that bot.
Yeah.
I can't do it on 5. I gave it 10. It's all right. It's what? I don't know what the trades were today, but they're what? Generally around 8 to 10 points.
Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll go stand in the corner for 5 minutes to repent.
To repent.
Right after the stream.
No, I wouldn't say it's over, but I think Mike Stunts has run away with it. I haven't seen him today. I know he 20 push-ups. Yeah, you remember when I had to do, I think it was 150? Holy Toledo. I stopped with the punishments, with the consequences.
I gotta do 20 push-ups and stand in the corner?
Yeah, while you're standing in the corner. I only blew up my account but stayed 5 micros or less. Did you ever finish the 150? You know what? I don't think so. I think I got close. I don't remember. I know I tried my hardest. You know what? I love gold wood chip, to be honest with you. I think gold really makes some major moves, but I'm still having a hard time with the air pockets it hits. What is an air pocket? An air pocket is when the price just readjusts without trading in between. You know, it goes from 3,350 to 3,352 without any trading in between. It just, and it does it quite often because I guess it's a much thinner market. Maybe there are a few trades in between, I just don't see them, but it's like just an instant it's an instant pop or an instant rug pull. And given that I'm going for about $1.50 or $2, it's, you know, it's pretty much my whole range there. So I'm still trying to figure out how to deal with that. And gold micro, it pays $10 per dollar. It's like 10 ounces of gold. So if gold changes by $1, you're up 10 bucks. The tick in gold is 10 cents, so every tick is $1. Yeah, $1 per tick.
So did all the volume just die or what? Like, this ain't going nowhere.
It's showing me sellers have the momentum right now. Now the big question. I'm ready for it. Give me the big question. Mike Stunts is trading it. I have no idea. I think I heard him say yesterday that he didn't get a take profit, but
I think I heard him say that he had one, but he was trading a different one instead.
Yeah, I don't know. I
Could
really
be wrong.
don't know, guys. Do not ask me. Remember, we're all going on the what's it called again? The honor system.
I mean, it's all for fun.
I confessed. I traded over the 5 lot last week once. I think I got out of it right away. Then I put the star by my name. But today I'm trading larger, trying to catch up.
Well, the whole point of the 5 micro rule was so people weren't like YOLO and news, right?
That's it. Any kind of YOLOing. But, you know, that's the thing. We kind of trade differently. You and me are quick scalpers, like Woodchip and Joker. And Mike said a 5 lot, they can bust the account with a 5 lot because they're going for much bigger moves and much wider stops.
I mean, both my trades today were what, under a second?
Wow. Take profit trader won't let you trade gold? No, it lets me trade gold. Think? Hold on, let me take a one lot in gold and see. We will see. This is gold. Let me change to my take profit account. Change it to a one lot. We're trading lower, so I'm going to sell it. Sell the ask. No. There you go. That's the take profit account. It's got an order in. I don't need to fill it. Who doesn't let me trade gold was MFFU, my funded futures. But I used to trade gold with my funded futures. What's the ticker? MGC space 08 minus 25 on Ninja Trader.
Yeah, it might be time for that short. Couldn't push up. Got a big dump in the delta.
Bad news. Apex lets me trade MGC1, but take profit doesn't. That's strange. I will no longer be doing overnight streams. It was just way too draining. I think it took me 3 days to recover.
I don't know how y'all do that stuff. You don't get burned out?
Yeah, I streamed in the morning, I think, from 5 till 11. Then I think I streamed in the that day. Streamed in the afternoon, streamed in the evening, and then I got a phone call that aggravated 10 p.m. So I came and started to do some work. I worked till 2 in the morning, and then I said, I might as well stream. So then I streamed again from 2 p.m. till whatever. But I was sitting here 2 a.m. till, I don't know, 10 a.m., 10:30. I was sitting here at 7 a.m. My eyes were closing. I think I even fell asleep at one point. For like 15 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever. Yeah, I swear to God.
I wouldn't be able to do it.
There isn't enough. I thought there would be more activity. And I remembered there being more activity, more volatility in the London session, but there was nothing. It was almost like an evening session. No moves. I was like very discouraged this time. I said, to hell with it. I don't need to stay up all night for a market that looks like paint drying. MGC Q5 works for take profit.
Not only that, but good
August. Yep.
Good sleep's important, man. You got to get good sleep.
No, I don't get good sleep.
Well, maybe you should work on that. I know I have sleep issues myself. Sucks.
Well, I've put them upon myself. Actually, everyone goes to. I like my quiet time. Everyone goes to bed here around 10:30, 11. So if I want quiet time, I got to wait till 11 o'clock when everybody's sleeping. So.
Is that what I got to do? God, I was about to kick the whole family out the house yesterday. The kids woke up and decided that they was going to be extra loud and screaming and yelling and fighting.
Yeah, but your kids go to school come September.
Is it September? No, it's like
end of August now over here.
August or something.
Yeah, they moved it. Used to be after Now I Can Win. It used to be after Labor Day. After the Jerry Lewis Telethon. I don't know if anybody remembers that. Wow, that was the good old days, the Jerry Lewis Telethon. Just get noise canceling headphones and put some ABBA. That's funny you mentioned that. Did you hear me talk about? I talked about ABBA. Now what talking about ABBA? ABBA's making a comeback.
I don't even know what ABBA is.
Come on. You're smiling. Yeah, you do.
What is it?
A band.
A band?
Sure. Come on. How can you not know ABBA? From Sweden.
Maybe I heard of it. I don't know.
Dance. Yeah, Dancing Queen. Voulez-vous.
Kind of music.
What would you guys call it? 70s disco, maybe?
Shit, I don't know anything about no fucking 70s disco. Come on. It says Swedish pop group formed in Stockholm in 1972. Are they still around?
I have no idea. Probably. Their music is very popular.
2 girls and 2 guys that look like girls.
They don't have beards. Tell me if they don't have beards, the guys in the band.
I think one of them's got like a thought of a beard. I don't know. Yeah, one's got a beard.
I think I remember. Hey, and the Bee Gees, they had the beard. Tell me you don't know who the Bee Gees are.
I mean, I've heard of it, but I wouldn't be able to tell you a song.
Ah, wow. I am very discouraged with today.
How you spell that? Bee Gees. B-G.
B-E-E-G-E-E. There's no way you don't know the Bee Gees.
I've heard of the Bee Gees before. I never heard of ABBA.
Yeah, Barry Gibb.
They look the same.
Yeah, they do. I know, that's why I thought of it. Because they do look the same.
Except this one's got 3 guys that look like girls. Or 4, I don't know. Some pictures are 3, some are 4. They must have lost a member along the way.
They lost a member to ABBA.
Maybe. Is that the guy?
Yeah, the beard, yeah. Oh, Lord.
I think that was popular in the 70s, the guys that look like girls.
I never liked the Bee Gees.
70s and the 80s. Did you ever get into the glam rock?
Nope. Not me.
You mean you never dressed up like a girl?
No. Oh, that's really... Oh, is that what it is? Like the David Bowie kind of thing?
Yeah.
David Bowie was glam rock, yeah. He started
Was
to
he?
paint himself. Ziggy Stardust and... Yeah.
No, I was more talking like Motley Crue and
okay.
Guns N' Roses. Poison.
Yeah, no. I'm thinking something different then. Ziggy Stardust is a little different.
Maybe David Bowie started looking like a girl, and then I think the time I started hearing David Bowie looked more normal or something.
Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 entries at 23,009. First 2 lost, and this one is still open. But I'm in Prince.
Back then, I was listening to Metallica and Slayer and Pantera. But the funny thing is, if you go back and look at a lot of their early stuff, they look like girls too.
Well, you would have a much more interesting conversation with my wife. She liked that music. I was into Kiss, Journey. What other bands did I like?
Kiss was big in the early 70s, right?
Yeah, I really liked Boston. I remember Cheap Trick. Those were the bands that I was. AC/DC. Woo! Yeah, AC/DC was. Pat Benatar was one of mine. Also liked.
I think ACT, they're still touring, ain't they? I think they're still around.
Yeah, they are. I don't know how he's singing his vocals out.
They had to get the guy from Guns N' Roses to do one tour.
Bread and butter.
Axl Rose.
Really? They have fun. They have fun on stage. But you see, that's what I'm saying. You're saying how hard it is, but they're still doing it. So it must be special. It must be a high.
Yeah, but a lot of times, so you got the perception of sex, drugs, and rock and roll. But then come to find out, a lot of those big bands, those guys all stay away from all that stuff.
Now, when they're 80.
Yeah.
Yeah, not when they were 20. There's a movie with the guy, what's his name? I like him. He's a good actor. I think it's called Rockstar or whatever with Jennifer Aniston. If you guys can remember. Oh, what's that guy, the actor's name? His brother was in that boy band, the 5 of them. If that's another clue. GPT, that would be enough for GPT to figure it out.
I think I've seen the movie before, but I don't remember who the actor was.
Yeah, it was a good movie. I got a line from that. Hold on. Who played in the movie Rockstar with Jennifer Aniston?
Was that the movie about Judas Priest?
Oh, I don't know. Mark Wahlberg. Plays the lead role of Chris Izzy Cole, a tribute band singer who gets a chance to front his favorite band, Steel Dragon.
It's about Judas Priest.
Oh, yeah?
It's based on, they don't say it in the movie, but it's based on Judas Priest.
Oh, I didn't know that.
What's the guy's
based
name?
On Judas Priest?
Yeah, I know the guy's name. I can't think of it right now.
Yes, Rockstar is loosely based on the real-life story of Tim Ripper Owens.
Yeah, Tim the Ripper Owens.
Who went from singing in a Judas Priest tribute band to becoming the actual lead singer.
Mm-hmm.
It was a very good movie, actually. And
actually, a lot of that movie was based on the real life.
And if anybody watches the movie recently, the question of the week is, how did he get such a good voice? They asked that in the movie. What's his answer? I loved Alice Cooper. Oh, he was one of my top ones also.
In fact, Tim the Ripper Owens, he's still kind of... So Judas Priest split off with the original guitarist. He started his own band, KK Priest. And he got Tim the Ripper Owens back to lead the band. So he's once again leading, not the original Judas Priest, but the spinoff with the original guitarist.
So can anyone get the answer to today's quiz question? How did he get his voice in the movie?
Which one, the original singer or the...
No, Rockstar. In the movie Rockstar, they ask him, how did you get such a good voice? And he answers, I think it was like a press conference. Let's see what the answer is. Go GPT it and see if it'll even answer you.
The more funnier question would be, how did the original guy get his voice?
Maybe the same answer. I'm curious to see if GPT will answer.
I can't think of his name either. Dang, what the fuck's his name?
In the movie Rockstar, they ask him how he got such a good voice. Do you remember what his answer was?
For me?
No, I'm asking GPT.
Oh, I don't remember.
No, they didn't give... I used to sing to the vacuum cleaner. No, that's not it. That's not the answer. He gave another one. Can you remember it? There we go. They wrote it. How do you keep your voice in such fine shape? It just gave me the whole text. Well, my choir teacher gave me a lot of lessons. And then he answers, he eats a lot of pussy. Oh yeah, I eat a lot of pussy.
So is that what he said?
Yeah, that is what he said. And GPT wrote it. I had to squeeze it out because first it said something about the vacuum cleaner. But I said, no, that's not the answer. It's something else.
So you know why that's so funny, right?
No.
Maybe you don't know. So the original singer, Rob Halford, was gay. And he came out as gay and they kicked him out of the band.
Oh, no kidding.
They told him to keep it quiet and he didn't want to keep it quiet.
Yeah. So this is GPT writing. So yes, the second answer is the cheeky line about eating pussy. Can you believe that GPT wrote that? Funny.
So it's funny because Judas Priest, they all wore like leather and drove Harleys. And was more like the buff tough guys. And a lot of Judas Priest fans would like get on to like Motley Crue fans and stuff. They all look like women. Like, oh, all those guys are gay. They all dress like women. And then come to find out, it was actually the lead singer of Judas Priest that was gay. He was a good singer, though. He's still a good singer.
Yeah. Well, from the rock bands, I don't know if you guys know, my favorite singer was Ronnie James Dio. I thought this guy, the voice of this guy was just insanely good. He sang for Black Sabbath a little bit. I know he sang also for Rainbow. And maybe even had his own band. But wow, what a voice on that guy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he passed away a few years back.
So what do you think? We wrap it up? 12:09?
The guy, Tim Ripper Owens, I told you took over for Judas Priest.
Yeah.
He also did like a tribute band that was really big for Dio. It was called Dio Disciples.
No kidding, really?
So if you like Dio, you should go check out the Dio Disciples. And,
yeah, definitely will.
It's that Tim Ripper Owens. He's a great singer, Tim Ripper Owens. And doing Dio song. I think I probably won't get it correct, but I think he like grew up with knowing Dio or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. There was some history with him and Dio. And when Dio died, he started a tribute band, got real big.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll call it there.
Yeah, sounds good. Tired guy.
Good for a Monday.
Yeah.
Mark me down for the account for 275.
Where's my pen? Oh, you know what? Oh, there it is.
Which puts me at 49,547.98.
49,547. We'll leave out the pennies. And how much did you say? 245 today?
275.
275.
275.62.
No pennies. 275. Okay. I'm minus 43. Yeah, it was a good stream today. It was fun. I'm minus 43, and we'll get in the other numbers. Guys, don't forget to post them. And that's it. I'll probably be streaming today at starting around 5:45. See how it goes. If it's very quiet, I'll quit though, and I'll do some work. I'll do something else. But other than that, for now, the plan is to stream at 5:45. And if not, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for showing up. It's always appreciated. You know that. And see you soon. Take care.
Later, guys.
Done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses,